everyone. It's Cynthia from Joyful Creations, and I am excited to do my first unboxing. I do receive boxes monthly from the Crochet Society from the UK and from Lether Co. Company, which is in the United States. And I have a Crochet Society box that I want to unbox with you today. I got their box last month and was so excited, so I'm really excited about this one, but I'm going to share something with you from the last box because it was, for me, designed just for me. Besides being a crafty person, I am an extremely organized person, and she ended up including this Big Plans book. Let's see if you can see Big Plans there. And so anyone who knows me knows how organized I am. And so this was so perfect. It has some stickers in the front, and it does like birthday and anniversaries, don't forget, appointments to do, and then it has some cute little even crochet stickers. And then it's where you can put down what to do. And it's got a place for time for me, ideas, and a to-do list. I'm actually going to use this in doing my patterns or my projects, my whips, because a lot of times, like I said in my introduction video, I don't follow patterns a whole lot, and when I do, I stray from them. It's not that the designer didn't do a great job, it's just that my crafty creative mind sometimes has a mind of its own. And so a lot of times I just like to sit down and envision something. Maybe I've seen a picture of something and I just start playing around and creating it. So this will help me keep my thoughts together and also be able to talk about what I did. And then there's a blank page on the back, so if I wanted, I could take a picture of that project when it's completed and actually tape it to the back of this. So I love that. And then I went and bought a pad of paper to stick in mine so I could take notes. And then it had this cute little bedazzling pen that came with it. There we go. So let me hold it in this hand. So very, very cute. I love that. So Crochet Society did very, very well last month. And of course, I love the yarn too, and the hook, but this was just an ultimate pleasure and surprise for me that I absolutely love and will use a lot. All right, so now to unboxing my Crochet Society box. Again, this comes from the UK, so I might get mine a little bit later than some, so you probably have already seen some unboxings on this. So I do apologize that mine's coming so late, but I got it and I'm excited and can't wait to open it, so let's go. And of course, I love watching everybody else do this, and so I love being able to do this for the first time. Yay! All right. And so it says, home is where the yarn is. Let me bring that so you can see it. And it says, don't forget to share your makes with us on Crochet Society, which I've not done yet, but I hope to be able to do that in the future. So are we ready? Let me put it down just to open that paper up. Well, I may not have done that as elegantly as some people have. And here's my box. So let's see what we've got. Got some yarn. Got two colorways here. It is baby cotton yarn. It says Peter Pan. And on the back side here, it says it's 50% cotton and 50% polyester. I was looking to see if it had a weight to it. Let's see on this side here. and I don't see it. And then the shade, it just gives a lot number. It says shade 3140 lot 06. So it's not given like a colorway, but it's like a white color. Hope you can see that. And this one is like a light lavender. It is shade 3145 lot 6. So I don't know a specific color name for that, but again, it's 50% cotton and 50% polyester. I don't know if you can see that. If it comes across, it looks kind of gray to me, but yeah. All right. And then we've got some stuffing. And let's see. Got a bamboo Bella Coco crochet hook. It's a 3.5. That's a little bit different from the other crochet hooks I've gotten from her. And then we have a key ring, and it says hashtag Crochet Society. Whoops, my little tag came off. And I'm not sure. Got a little clear bag. So some of this stuff may have been in this clear bag and slid out. Like maybe this little, looks like embroidery floss, black embroidery floss. So maybe that was in there. I'm not sure. And then I've got a stitch marker, little kitty cat. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. It's cute. That purple on the kitty cat kind of goes along with this purple here. So let me see if I can help you be able to see it. I'm still learning how to operate my camera. They say the first couple YouTube videos are the worst. So I'm proving that to be a fact. I appreciate your patience. And then we have a pair of yarn scissors. Oh, how cool. I have quite a few pairs of those, so I might do some little giveaways as I get my videos going. And then, even though I've been crocheting for a while, I am honestly not 100% sure what those are to be used for. But there are clips. But I do have some ideas of what I can use them for. And then my passcode to go look at my projects. So let's see what projects they have for us this month. And then home is where the yarn is again. And she always includes a little card that shows the US and the UK measurements. And then it has the crochet terms at the top. All right, so let's see what our patterns are for this month. So the first one is Missy the Kitten. And of course, this pattern goes along with the little stitch marker. So, And then we have okay. All right, so this shows us a little bit of how to use those clips and what they're intended for. So see, always learning something. And a circle of friends bunting is another pattern. Everyone has a friend who has a star that they love and they would send flowers to. And then the third one is a honeycomb pouch. It looks like they've got a cell phone in there. For a phone or sunglasses. And that's designed by Joy Clements. And Sarah Jane Hicks is the designer of this, who is our Bella Coco. And Sarah, I do apologize, I didn't know what the clips were intended for, but as always, you are very thorough and in the book explained it to me. Again, I'm still new getting her boxes, so I'm very excited. And then the designer for Missy the Kitten was, is it Arena Lee? Arena Lee? So definitely some cute little things to make. That would make a cute little baby toy. So I'm very excited. And I thank you for doing this first unboxing with me. And until we meet again, keep something on your hook and stay crafty in your own way. Bye.